Okay, children, so we come to the last part of the chapter, which is supposed to be the first part we understood about the natural disasters. This part we are trying to understand about the man-made disasters. Okay, now as the word suggests, man-made disaster means human beings also want to destroy nature. Okay, in some way or the other, maybe deliberately or by mistake. Okay, we can't say that. But yes, if we are doing it deliberately, then the outcome happens to be huge loss. Okay, जैसा natural disaster में होता है वैसे ही man-made disaster में होता है. So basically, what do you mean by man-made disaster? Okay, so any disaster where human beings are involved. Okay, where there is a lot of destruction, again loss, and there is a lot of devastation taking place, where nature does not play an important role, but it is because of human beings. Such a thing is called as a natural man-made disaster. What are man-made disaster? First one is you have fires. Now there are two types of fires that can happen, or we must have come across this. One, your fire that happens in your locality or your building, or unfortunately in your homes. Okay, and the other kind of fire that happens is called as your forest fire. Now forest fire can be basically because of dry leaves, okay, dry trunks coming together, and there could be even people involved in clearing the forest because maybe they want to have some construction work done out there, or they want agriculture to be done out over there. So deliberately clearing the forest also can happen. Okay, if that happens by humans, then that's actually the saddest story that can ever happen in the life of the people as such. But there are people who would want to do that because they feel that forest may be not playing an important role, not of any use. But let me tell you, forest hai, that's why mankind is there. If there is no forest, there is cutting down of trees, if there is going to be deforestation, then mankind is going to become extinct very soon. Very, very soon. Forget about animals and plants getting extinct. Humans are going to become extinct creatures very soon. So forest fire, how can we stop that? Of course, we need to have important officers, we need to have that department who is taking care of the forest. There are no people getting into the forest for unnecessary leisure work. Maza masti ke liye you cannot allow people to get into the forest, because after going to the forest, what they're going to do basically is maybe they're doing such a kind of a thing of putting up a fire and then destroying it or something like that. So strict norms, strict rules is really very, very important. Building fire is something that can happen unfortunately because of a short circuit happening or any such thing, जिसके वजह से मतलब पता नहीं था, like live wire is kept open and कोई जाके हाथ लगाता है या पानी लग गया उसके ऊपर live wire के ऊपर. We all know electricity and water are two poles apart. You can't put water where there is electricity problem. You have to put sand out over there. So, if any such things happen, then it is going to be a big devastation happening or a big thing happening inside the building. So, building का पूरा main switch off करना पड़ता है, because everybody may go and switch on and touch the switch boards and everything live. Okay, so then it is going to be a very big disaster, very big disaster. So building fires have to be taken care of. So every wiring that is done inside the house is also being taken care of to see that कि nowadays of course घर पे जो wirings होता है it's all concealed, it's inside the wall. लेकिन हमारे बचपन में वैसा नहीं था, it used to be seen outside. तो कभी भी कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा, थोड़ा भी वायर निकल गया है तो उसके ऊपर एक ब्लैक कलर का टेप लगा के इसको बंद किया जाता है, और वी हैव टू कॉल फॉर द इलेक्ट्रिशियन because they know better which wire is getting joined and everything. Varna as a kid or as an elder going and touching it and trying to become like a hero, और कुछ नहीं है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का करंट लग के खत्म हो जाएगा. So that is one kind of fire. How to mitigate? Short circuit is one of the reason because of which fire can take place. Water is the best medium if you want to put off a fire in the jungle. Okay, that is how you can bring down the fire in the jungle. लेकिन building में fire हो जाएगा. With regard to electricity, you have sand, and now most of the big tall rise buildings are keeping sand buckets in each and every floor. Okay, and you even have that pipeline also that is being kept. So electricity के लिए sand is very important, and of course if there is anything that is with regard to wood, then it is most of the time it is supposed to be water. Okay, water distinguishes the fire very soon. There can be electrical fire, there can be forest fire. Okay, what are we supposed to do? Always keeping an emergency kit ready. Okay, क्योंकि fire होने से क्या हो जाता है? First and the foremost thing is, if you're getting an electric shock, you have supposed to touch a wood, you know, to keep yourself safe. और हम लोग बोलते हैं कि वो जो रबर का चप्पल है उससे मारना चाहिए, तभी वो इंसान छूट जाता है. But if it is another fire because of your gas or something, the first precaution is always keep it under the water, so that you know जो भी swollen होना है वो कम हो जाएगा, जो redness है वो कम हो जाएगा. So keep it under the water, and then usually they say that you know उसके ऊपर Bernol or something like that way has to be kept. So emergency kit is very important to be ready all the time. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए वो time पे we are running around the house and the person is in pain. Turn off the gas pipelines, open the windows and doors. This is another very important thing, is because now every building has got pipelines. Okay, the gas pipelines. So even thoda bhi smell aa jayega. So first and the foremost thing is you have to go and switch off the yellow color knob. That is the main knob जिसके through the gas is coming into our burner. तो पहला उसको बंद करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. And the next important thing is opening the windows and doors, ताकि वो जो भी गैस का स्मेल है that goes out. Otherwise, you know, people who are small children, elderly people, full chance of them to collapse down. Okay, so it's very important. So coming from there, we are coming next one is called as nuclear disaster. Okay, nuclear disaster का मतलब होता है atom bombs, which we have learned and heard about it in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. लेकिन उससे भी worst. Okay, nuclear disasters are supposed to be because of nuclear atom bombs. So every country is nuclearly wet country. अगर world war हुआ तो you know every country will take out their nuclear weapons and the earth will come to an end within no time. क्योंकि पूरी तरह से perish हो जाएगा. Because there is chromium, there is bromine used in it, okay, uranium used in it in the preparation, which is very very dangerous, very dangerous. So mankind वैसे ही खत्म हो जाएगा. So nuclear disaster is atom bombs, or you're having exposure to harmful radiation. Okay, Chernobyl disaster, which happened in Ukraine in 26 April 1986, where 3.5 million were affected. Okay, when they were doing the testing, you know, so when you're doing the testing, it has to be done in such a way कि उसका spark थोड़ा भी बाहर नहीं निकलना चाहिए. निकला, people are going to get affected as such. इसके लिए जब भी कोई टेस्टिंग होता है गांव में बताया जाता है that sit inside the house, don't come out. लेकिन if there is any unfortunate method, or you can say you know एक छोटा सा भी गलती कंपनी की तरफ से हो गया, then it is going to give a big cost. Okay, life का तो बहुत बड़ा cost हो जाता है. 2,000 people died, 2,500 people died, and 4 lakh people displaced. Okay, displaced means they left that place and they went to elsewhere. क्योंकि they couldn't sustain out over there. And nuclear disaster से क्या हो जाता है कि it takes days together for the atmosphere to come back to normal. So people till then cannot stay there. And within no time, you know, you collapse. मतलब मर जाते हो. मतलब क्योंकि वो इतना high है उसका smell कि you cannot take that. As a human, we cannot take that. We are supposed to be the most fragile. सबसे delicate creature है हम लोग. So इसके लिए हम लोग थोड़ा भी कुछ लेते हैं ना, हम लोग तुरंत कोलैप्स हो जाता है. Okay, so that is the reason. What are we supposed to do? Not to move out of the house, close the doors and windows, and wait for the government instructions. That is very important. We cannot become smart people and keep moving outside and tell the world and show off and all those things. You know, you have to be at home. You have to take utmost care and see that you know till the government does not inform anything through radios and televisions, till then we are not supposed to come out of the house and try to maintain that calmness. Panic नहीं होना चाहिए, बोलते हैं लेकिन सब panic हो जाते हैं, ठीक है, लेकिन वो घर पे रहना बहुत important है, because if you're going to go out, the air has got that poison in it, so that's going to affect us. Coming next one is chemical or biological disaster. Chemical is misuse of any chemicals in a factory. वो जो टॉक्सिक सब्सटेंस होता है, अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमारे इंडिया ने एक्सपीरियंस किया है, कॉल्ड एज अ भोपाल गैस ट्रेजेडी, which happened on the 3rd of December 1984. Okay, what do you call that? The factory was manufacturing MIC. MIC का मतलब है मिथाइल आइसोसामाइड. Okay, और उसका भी गैस बाहर निकलने के वजह से how many people got affected? 3 lakh people get affected. Okay, now see, Hiroshima Nagasaki में जो हुआ था जापान में, that was okay. उससे भी worst हुआ था ये यूक्रेन में. ठीक है, यूक्रेन का जो इफेक्ट हुआ था that was worst. अब इसमें सब क्या हो जाता है, लाइफ जाता है तो ठीक है, बट इफ लाइफ डज नॉट गो, बेसिकली इट क्रिपल्स अ पर्सन. नहीं तो उसका आईसाइट चला जाता है, नहीं तो इट अफेक्ट्स देयर ब्रेन, इट अफेक्ट्स देयर डीएनए. ठीक है, तो उनका फ्यूचर जो होता है, दे ऑल्सो आर बॉर्न विद सच काइंड ऑफ डिफॉर्मिटीज. कुछ ना कुछ उनके लाइफ में भी प्रॉब्लम्स होता है. ठीक है, सो द जनरेशंस एंड जनरेशंस वही होता रहता है. फाइन, ओके. फ्रॉम द फैक्ट्री कॉल्ड एज यूनियन कार्बोनाइड फैक्ट्री, नॉट टू कंज्यूम अनकवर्ड फूड. ऐसे टाइम पे सब है ना, अनकवर्ड फूड कुछ खाना नहीं चाहिए, विच इज केप्ट आउटसाइड और समथिंग लाइक दैट, क्योंकि उसमें भी ये गैस पार्टिकल्स जाके सेटल डाउन होता है. What do you mean by biological disaster? Where you have microbes or bacteria deliberately used to harm mankind is called as a biological disaster. Okay, now everybody keeps saying that, you know, it's what happened now is basically called as a biological disaster. The virus keeping on spreading. It is passed on to so many people, and you know, I mean, deaths ho raha hai. It has actually affected the whole world. Okay, so this is one kind of a biological disaster, you can say that. Okay, started with one and now it has gone into millions and millions. Okay, so this needs to be stopped. Okay, how it is supposed to be stopped? Like the way they give us instructions, social distancing करना है, don't try to go to place जहाँ पे ज़्यादा लोग हैं. That's all the reasons why we need to really take care of and stop and see that, you know, such things don't spread more. Okay. Fine. Next one is your terrorism. Now terrorism के ऊपर तो बोलने के लिए बहुत कुछ है. Unfortunately, India has also experienced what is terrorism all about. Okay, हम लोग ने 26 November का देखा हुआ है, and unfortunately India, Mumbai has seen a lot of terrorist attack. It's absolutely a man-made thing. How to be cautious? We cannot say that because we don't know when the attack going to take place. Yes, securities have beefed up a lot. There is a lot of checking happening at the airports and railways में ज़्यादा नहीं है, लेकिन malls में, you know, they check very well, see that, you know, you're not carrying any harmful things. Of course, we can only pray that, you know, we are safe in the city. Varna terrorism is horrible. 9/11, you know, the twin towers of USA that was bombarded. Okay, where the plane was hijacked and it passed through the twin towers of USA, was a very devastating thing, killing the people of the building as well as killing the people inside the plane. Okay, so these are all terrorist attacks that's happened. हमारा 26 November जो ताज महल में हुआ, लियोपोल में हुआ. Okay, those 5 of them coming through Gateway of India into our city, Mumbai city. Okay, so VT station. I mean, these are all terrorism, all man-made. Okay, which needs to be controlled a lot. Okay, there should be like something that controls them. Okay, fine. So these are all your man-made disasters. Now we are coming to the disaster management. What does it include? It includes response, relief. Okay, response का मतलब है how fast you respond. So there is a disaster management that is run by the central government, by the state government. There is disaster management that is running on district level. What is the work of these people? They have to respond as soon as they come to know that there is an hazard or a disaster that's happened. Okay, they have to reach that place very quickly. They have to provide with relief. Relief का मतलब होता है they have to evacuate the people from those places, or if those people cannot be evacuated, you need to give them some kind of first aid kits. You need to give them food packets, water packets, medicinal packets. You know, these things have to be given to them so that they don't feel like, you know, they're left out over there as such. अगर उनको वहाँ से evacuate किया जा सकता है, nothing like it. So कैसे evacuate किया जाता है? Of course, if it's possible by roadways, fine. नहीं तो helicopters होता है. Otherwise, you have those air-inflicted boats, you know, जहाँ floods होते हैं. So, you know, they row and they bring people, you know, air-inflicted वाला होता है वो. तो काम होने के बाद हवा निकाल दो, उसको fold करके भी रख सकते हैं. तो disaster management is doing all those great job, you know, of evacuating people. Rehabilitation very important. उनको evacuate करने के बाद में कहाँ रखेंगे? रास्ते पे तो नहीं सुला सकते. So they need to be kept into such places. So there, you know, tents are being made. Okay, time being tents are being made, or they may be taken to a nearby schools or colleges where the structure is standing strong. वहाँ पे पानी नहीं भरा है, so people can stay there for maybe next 10 days, 15 days, till the water recedes. Okay, till things come into normal. So ये सब कुछ possible है, but these things have to be done by a disaster management because they very well know how to go about with it. They know the A to Z and कैसे step by step करना है. They know that very well. रिकंस्ट्रक्शन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर किसका घर पूरा बर्बाद हो गया लैंडस्लाइड के वजह से या एवलांचे के वजह से, सो डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट सीज टू इट कि देयर हाउस इज बीइंग reconstruction is being done, okay, so that they can go back again. Of course those houses will not be something great looking, but something good enough for a family to live. Of course, then what happens if the next time the disaster comes? Not an issue. Even if that house again gets washed away, the house will be again made for them. So this is all taken care by the government of India, okay? Because they come under the government of Union Government of India. There is a disaster management team, working committee who is seeing to it that these things are being taken care of. Then there should be mitigation and preparedness. Mitigation means you need to understand which are the places which is prone to these kind of disasters and you have to keep yourself prepared. जैसा कोस्टल एरियाज है तो साइक्लोन आने वाला है तो उन लोग को पहले से तैयार करके रखना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, ठीक है. एंड इफ इट्स सपोज टू बी an earthquake prone place, तो वहाँ पे भी उनको समझा के रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है, तैयार रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Because when people cooperate, the disaster management can bring out the best, okay, and we can actually take care of the people. See, the government is divided into district, state, national and other groups. What is the work? Okay, national crisis management is there, who's taking care of all these crises. So be it anything, flood bolo, cyclone bolo, ठीक है, drought bolo, the government is already ready like to help the people. We only need to come together, take the help and then see to it that the outcome is good. Measures are implemented, then financial money is being given and logistics are being taken care of. Logistic का मतलब है जहाँ पे भी ये नुकसान हुआ है वहाँ पे कितना पैसा जाना चाहिए. Everything is being calculated very well so that people are not like money is not being misused and people are getting what they're supposed to be getting. जैसे कि food grains बोलो, clothings बोलो, ठीक है, the houses are being made for them. Conducting training, mock drills and plan well. Very important, okay. There are disaster management which is open even for the public where they can come and participate, okay. They can get themselves trained very well. Mock drills होता है offices में, schools में, colleges में, ताकि ऐसा कोई disaster आता है ना तो panic नहीं होना चाहिए, but how to act very wisely is the most important thing. तो उसके वजह से क्या हो जाता है that people will काफ़ी डेथ कम हो जाता है, वरना पैनिक होते हैं, भागते रहोगे, स्टैम्पेड होने का फुल चांस है, ओके, पीपल विल गेट किल्ड. सो वो सब नहीं होना चाहिए. सो दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई एवरीथिंग नीड्स टू बी प्लान्ड वेरी वेल एंड डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट इज डूइंग दैट. So they see to it that ऐसा कोई भी disaster हो जाए, they are always there. And of course we have our army, we have our navy and the air force who is always there to help us and bring out the best in our country. So children, the chapter gets over, okay, go through the chapter. The case studies, you'll have to go through the case studies. That is usually not being taken into account while explanation. Case studies, Nepal ka diya hai, Assam ka diya hai, oil spills ka diya hai. Any part, of course, if you don't understand, we can always get it cleared. Fine, so you don't have to worry. Again, I say it's an informative chapter, so read it like a story form and please understand. Until then, next time when we meet, when there's a Zoom lecture, you can just see that it is getting everything clear. Okay, till then, take care, stay safe. Bye.